Now let's record the next entry. It's a credit sales transaction. So let's see how do we record this entry in Tally. Press the F8 key to open sales voucher and change the mode to voucher mode, and set the transaction date, which is 11th of October 2019. I'm not going to provide any reference number over here, and I will debit the buyer's account. So I don't want to provide any details like buyer's address or transporter's details, so I'll skip those details as well, and enter the amount in the debit column and press enter. As soon as I press the enter key, the bill-wise details screen will appear. Here I need to create a new reference with respect to this sale so that it can be tracked in future. So I will select the option as new reference since it is a new sales. By default, the name field will contain the invoice number, so I can change it to anything which I can remember. So I will change it to something like super stationery order number 1, and the due date which I have allowed is 15 days, and just accept the remaining details and credit the sales account, and skip this step and save the transaction.